In this video, we will be comparing Softr and Glide, two of the most popular no-code platforms in 2025. If you're building an app and unsure which one to choose, this video breaks it down fast, clear, with no fluff. Let's start with data. Softr connects primarily to Airtable and Google Sheets, perfect for building clients' portals, directories, or internal tools. Glide, on the other hand, uses Google Sheets, Excel, and now its own Glide tables, giving you more flexibility, especially for mobile-first apps. Softr is block-based and best for web apps and desktop views. It's ideal for polished dashboards and client-facing tools. Glide is mobile-first, meaning your app looks great on phone by default. You get more control over your layouts, but design can feel a little bit less customizable than Softr. If you use Softr, if you're building something like client portal, member site, or resource directory quickly, use Glide for mobile apps, inventory trackers, sales tools, or when you need apps that feel native on phones. Pricing wise, both start with free plans, but Glide scales based on row count and features. Softr scales based on user and functionality. So here's the bottom line. Choose Softr for fast web-based tools and with clean UI. Pick Glide if you need something mobile-friendly and flexible for personal or business use. Both are powerful, it just depends on what you're building. And this is it. If this video did help, make sure you subscribe and like.